In this video, we'll take a look at the compass on your Garmin eTrex SE. The SE contains a digital compass, so unlike the previous eTrex versions where you didn't have that, like the eTrex 10, now you have the electronic compass. You don't have to start moving around to know the direction of travel or your bearing. You'll get this even when you're stationary. But like any other electronic compass, you need to calibrate it. So we'll show you where you do that. So we can either hit on a menu here and we can select calibrate compass. And now we'll follow the instructions and we'll hit OK to start and slowly rotate the unit. So we'll do that. All right, let's do the next step, which is the other flip. All right, so we're gonna lift it up. We're gonna slowly do it. There we go. And then the last step, we'll do the somersaults. All right, so this one's always fun. We will slowly move this around. Hopefully this will work. There we go. So now we have our calibrated compass, and now we're ready to navigate. You can actually access the calibration here by going under settings, and you're going to go under system, and then you're going to go under compass. And that's where you'll be able to have access your compass settings. This is where you can display your numeric degrees, directional letters, or mils. You can also set up your reference, true north, magnetic, or grid. You can set up your pointer, bearing, or the CDI view, for example. And you can also access the calibration screen from here, and you can play around with the dashboard like that, and that will give you some additional fields. So for example, let me choose geocache, for example. So now with these settings, I can go back to our compass page, which is under tracking, and you can see now that I have a much different looking screen. And then when I start to navigate to this geocache, I'll have my pointer arrow, and if I'm off course, I'll be able to see that from the little ticks and lines that we have here, which I've covered in other videos. But this is where you can have this information. And there you go. That is quickly how you calibrate the compass on your Garmin eTrex SE.